Here is a beginner-level People Manager quiz that covers employee well-being and work-life balance, handling promotions and salary reviews, and leadership development. Question 1. What is one of the key indicators of poor work-life balance among employees? A. Frequent communication with colleagues. B. Low absenteeism. C. High levels of stress and burnout. And D. Early logins and on-time deliveries. Answer: high levels of stress and burnout. Question 2. Which initiative best supports employee well-being? A. Extended working hours. B. Offering flexible work arrangements. C. Daily performance evaluations. And D. Weekly reporting to top management. Answer: offering flexible work arrangements. Question 3. What should a people manager do if an employee reports burnout? A. Encourage them to take breaks and manage workload. B. Refer them to a colleague. C. Ignore it unless it affects deliverables. And D. Increase their task variety. Answer: encourage them to take breaks and manage workload. Question 4. Which of the following helps improve overall employee well-being? A. Mandatory overtime. B. Providing mental health resources. C. Reducing team interactions. And D. Limiting feedback channels. Answer: providing mental health resources. Question 5. Why is supporting work-life balance important for organizations? A. It reduces employee productivity. B. It helps employees spend less time at work. C. It boosts morale, retention, and performance. And D. It allows management to avoid responsibility. Answer: it boosts morale, retention, and performance. Question 6. What should promotions primarily be based on? A. Employee popularity. B. Time served in the company. C. Number of leaves taken. And D. Demonstrated performance and potential. Answer: demonstrated performance and potential. Question 7. Why is transparency important in salary reviews? A. To compare employee pay with competitors. B. To reduce confusion and build trust. C. To control employee expectations. And D. To keep raises a secret. Answer: to reduce confusion and build trust. Question 8. What is the most fair way to handle salary increment discussions? A. Consider both individual performance and market benchmarks. B. Base it only on tenure. C. Limit increases to one department only. And D. Offer flat raises across all employees. Answer: consider both individual performance and market benchmarks. Question 9. How can a people manager reduce bias in promotion decisions? A. Avoid evaluating leadership skills. B. Promote based on senior management opinions. C. Use a structured performance and potential framework. And D. Rotate promotions between departments. Answer: use a structured performance and potential framework. Question 10. What is a red flag in the promotion process? A. Consistent performance evaluations. B. Favoritism and unclear criteria. C. Employee upskilling and mentoring. And D. Role-specific competency assessments. Answer: favoritism and unclear criteria. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the first step in preparing someone for leadership? A. Assigning unrelated tasks. B. Avoiding team interaction. C. Increasing workload only. And D. Providing formal and informal mentoring. Answer: providing formal and informal mentoring. Question 12. Why is leadership development important in organizations? A. It helps create a backup workforce. B. It increases competitiveness and future readiness. C. It reduces employee engagement. And D. It minimizes the number of managers. Answer: it increases competitiveness and future readiness. Question 13. Which activity is most effective for grooming future leaders? A. Repetitive task assignments. B. Regular team bonding events. C. Assigning cross-functional projects and coaching. And D. Avoiding risk-based assignments. Answer: assigning cross-functional projects and coaching. Question 14. What does a good leadership development plan include? A. Regular progress tracking and capability building. B. Feedback avoidance. C. Secretive succession planning. And D. Skipping skill assessments. Answer: regular progress tracking and capability building. Question 15. Which of the following traits should be nurtured in potential leaders? A. Compliance only. B. Vision, accountability and people management. C. Task avoidance. And D. Passive communication. Answer: vision, accountability and people management. Question 16. How can managers recognize employee contributions effectively? A. By avoiding recognition to prevent jealousy. B. By waiting for performance reviews. C. By giving same appreciation to all. And D. Through public acknowledgement and meaningful rewards. Answer: through public acknowledgement and meaningful rewards. Question 17. What is a key benefit of investing in leadership development? A. Employee loyalty and internal mobility. B. Reduced teamwork. C. Greater dependence on external hiring. And D. Slower promotion cycles. Answer: employee loyalty and internal mobility. Question 18. Which of the following best supports work-life balance during high-stress periods? A. Removing time-off privileges. B. Conducting more meetings. C. Offering mental health check-ins and flexibility. And D. Increasing employee monitoring. Answer: offering mental health check-ins and flexibility. Question 19. What is the best approach to handle a salary raise request? A. Avoid the conversation. B. Review objectively and provide honest feedback. C. Deny it immediately. And D. Defer it to another team. Review objectively and provide honest feedback. Question 20. What is the outcome of strong leadership pipelines in an organization? A. Reduced accountability. B. Increased external hiring. C. Unclear team roles. And D. Smoother succession and long-term business stability. Answer: smoother succession and long-term business stability. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.